red gara, also known as doctor fishes, are eating the dead skin, dead cells in my skin, or at least that's what this spa claims to. And meanwhile, while I am letting my feet to be treated to fishes, I thought I will quickly shoot a video about 7 reasons why you should never use stories to sell. 1. You don't want a cult-like following and raving fans for your personal brand. You hate seeing the wisdom and stories hidden in your everyday life. You are selling something unethical, sleazy, that doesn't truly impact the lives of people. You don't want to share your likes and dislikes, fearing what others will think. Your vulnerable moments in life, because you're always a superhero, right? And you keep your life a guarded secret, because the authorities will discover your secret money plan. You're looking for a silver bullet to get leads. Of course, stories will get you leads instantly, but the art of writing stories takes practice, and if you put in the practice, you can definitely use stories. 7. You are a real asshole. For if you behave like a real asshole in life, I don't think story will help you, because to write stories that sell, you need to be an art-centered person. It's a non-negotiable, in my opinion, because that will help you connect with others on a real, authentic, and emotionally stirring way. Now, if you haven't checked those lists, and if you still desire to write stories, then story selling is for you. And if you desire to discover a unique method where you can write stories in 30 minutes or less, then you are welcome to join my TITT story writing workshop, where I share a framework that will let you to write stories from your everyday life. You will never again run out of stories, and during the workshop you will write stories in 30 minutes or less. That's my promise for you. So if that fascinates you, comment TITT and connect with me on LinkedIn or Facebook and express your interest, and I will swing over a 29-page letter to you, where you will see how this method helps me get clients and build a like-minded community online through this method. So I look forward to hearing from you. Cheers.